Good afternoon on this warm and Texas sunny day. Just thought I'd give people an update. Haven't had a chance to update a video. So I've been working on the car. This is the remember back in the previous video we did some rattle can paint jobs, and I wanted it a little bit more even, so we gave it a shot at spraying it, primer, base coat, clear coat, and the clear coat sucked. It just would not come out. So what we've done for the last few weeks, I found I get a better shine and it looks a hell of a lot better out of rattle cans. Sorry, Texas heat. This is let me come over here and get this is not a spray. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, this is a spray can. Did some color sanding here on it. I mean, out of a, this is the original full paint with the, we did some color sanding and it just don't shine. So I went back to my old Duplicolor and 2K can primer there. This is what 3 cans of base coat, Duplicolor 85 Corvette red, and 2K clear coat, about 2 coats. It is beautiful. I mean, it's not a $10,000 paint job. This ain't a $10,000 car either. I'm trying to, the sun ain't playing with me. I'm getting shadows everywhere. I don't know if you can see it there. You can't see it. But it's gorgeous. It's a mirror. I've got half of it in the shade here because I pulled up the shade when I was polishing it. Yeah, 2K clear coat. I can't get any good pictures of this thing. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. I was trying to use the pack of cigarettes as a, you could see it here. I can see the shadow and read the cigarette box. Did a wet sand 1500, came back on top of that with 3000, came back on top of that with 10,000. Then we went to McGuire's. Okay, on the polisher, got it down good. Then came back with McGuire's Ultimate Compound for a final. And now we are fixing to go with Ultimate Wax. We're gonna see how that turns out. But it's 100 degrees here in Texas, and it's hot. Can you see the clouds in the paint? That's one thing I can't. Okay, well, nothing major. Trying to find an angle you can see this colors, you just can't with this phone and the way the sun's hitting compared to that. Come down to this. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.